Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about what in the world is going on with Ibotta and DG Cash. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I'm sure, as most of you all know this by now, this little DG Cash deal popped up on our apps about 2 or 3 months ago, and we were all kind of scratching our heads thinking, what in the world is going on? And really the only thing that we knew about Dollar General Cash was what Dollar General was telling us in the app. So if you click on the little information icon, this pops up and it says how to use DG Cash. When you've received or earned DG Cash, your balance will appear here. Number 2, redeem your earned cash in store by scanning the code in your wallet. You can tell the cashier the amount. So as soon as this popped up, I already knew I was going to have to do some digging to find out what exactly Dollar General was up to this time around. Now, I had a pretty good feeling that this DG Cash deal would have something to do with Ibotta, because back at the beginning of the year, we started to see some big changes with Ibotta once they had teamed up with Walmart in the Walmart Rewards program. So like I said, I started digging around, and with the help of a couple of amazing Craz-E couponers, we came up with 2 articles that will kind of give us an idea of where this DG Cash thing is headed. So for this first article, this one is actually found on the Ibotta website, and I will link both articles in the pinned comment down below if you guys want to go and check them out yourselves. But it starts off right up there at the top: Dollar General partners with Ibotta and joins the IPN. Now this was back in January. So this says Dollar General, the largest retailer in the fastest growing small box retail channel, recently announced its Ibotta partnership to join the Ibotta Performance Network, the first digital network that enables promotions to be delivered in a coordinated fashion across the retailer platforms, large third-party publisher sites, and Ibotta's leading direct-to-consumer properties. So there you have it. Dollar General and Ibotta are officially partners, and that is probably why over the last few months we have been seeing more and more rebates offered for Dollar General. So if we continue on down the article, it says, how will it work? All consumers can simply clip and add eligible items to their cart, complete the purchase of eligible items to earn rewards, and then redeem. Shoppers can redeem cashback rewards directly through the Dollar General's website and app. Now, I'm going to be honest with you all. When I first read this article, I didn't really think twice about it, because when the Dollar General Cash thing popped up on the app for us, and my mind already went toward, okay, it's probably an Ibotta thing, just like Walmart did with their Walmart Rewards. But now, with the recent changes that have happened on the Dollar General app as well as on the Ibotta app, I think this is going to be totally different from what Walmart and Ibotta did with their partnership. But let's go ahead and finish out this article first, and then we're going to talk about some specifics here in just a few minutes. So if we continue on reading, it says what senior leaders are saying. And boy, what I would give to have all of the Dollar General senior leaders in one room. I have so many ideas, guys. Just, send me an email. Anyways, it says that we are excited to provide an additional innovative option for our customers to help stretch their budgets, said Emily Taylor, Dollar General's Executive Vice President and Chief Merchandising Officer. Ibotta's Cashback Rewards program further complements our continuous efforts to provide financial offerings and rewards to customers. Now, y'all don't get me wrong on this, because if it's not obvious, I love shopping at Dollar General. I love the deals that we get, the clearance sales. I love it, okay? But I feel like overall, Dollar General has more important issues that they could address and fix before they start adding on new things into the Dollar General, system. And I'm all about saving money. I love the fact that they are trying to find new ways for their customers to save money. However, like I said, there's just so many things that don't work right now at Dollar General. We have the new registers that, half the time they work, half the time they don't. They do apply sales, they don't apply sales. You just never know what you're going to get with the new registers and the self-checkout registers as well. Inventory in the DG app is 99% of the time completely wrong. And that wouldn't be such a big deal to me had they not been pushing DG Go on us for the last 2 or 3 years since, the big thing happened and everybody had to start doing pickup orders. Well, we can't use DG Go because the inventory is never right. Either it tells us that the item is out of stock, or you have 20 in stock, but it's really out of stock in the store. So it is always backwards and it is always wrong. And that is just the beginning of my list of improvements that I think Dollar General, as a whole could improve on. I think they could at least get a couple of things right before they start throwing in new things to figure out. We don't know how this is going to act. We don't know what this is going to do with the new systems versus the old systems. There's a lot to figure out. Like I said, don't get me wrong. I love shopping at Dollar General. I just think that the big people up top don't really understand what is going on at the ground level. They have, according to this article, almost 20,000 stores across the U.S., across 47 states. And I just don't think that they really understand what's going on. And the corporate office is in Middle Tennessee. And if you go and visit Middle Tennessee, right around where the corporate offices are, all of those Dollar Generals, or at least the ones that I have visited, they're very nice. They are probably some of the nicest Dollar General stores in this country. And I could be completely wrong on this. Remember, this is just my opinion based on what I have seen and observed. But I can definitely tell that there's probably a pretty big disconnect between the senior leaders up top and the ground level people, the managers, the employees, and the customers. I just don't feel like they have a good grasp on what is actually going on. Otherwise, I feel like they would want to fix the systems that are already in place. There are systems in place to save us money. Now, I could go on and on and on, but that's enough of that for now. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the changes that are happening right now that you guys need to be aware of. So, first up, I did make a post about this in the community tab last week. And then I also mentioned in a video about linking our Dollar General accounts. So this popped up last week. It says starting on May the 22nd, receipt submission for Dollar General will be removed. So now they are not giving us a choice whatsoever. We have to link our Dollar General accounts to keep earning. So the really unfortunate thing is that the majority of us will use multiple Dollar General couponing accounts. So for instance, I myself have one. My daughter, she doesn't even live with me, but I use her phone number as a couponing account, and we all kind of benefit from me going out and couponing at Dollar General. However, I can only have one Ibotta account per device. So I'm not going to be able to take advantage of those Ibotta rebates on my second account. Now, the other thing that I thought about with this is that we have to remember to type in the phone number that is linked with our Ibotta accounts in order to earn those rebates. So it's really going to stink if we go into the store, we forget to type in our phone number, or we type in a different phone number, or whatever the case may be, and then we get home and there's an Ibotta rebate on Wonder Bread. Well, we're not going to get that credit because we can no longer scan in the receipt and get credit for it like we do now. Now, based on what happened with Walmart and Ibotta, I do want you guys to anticipate changes. There will probably be multiple changes before we finally figure out what this is actually going to be. If, in fact, it turns out to be anything. It may be a complete flop, just kind of like the DG Go deal, and it may not be anything. Because as of right now, we really don't know how this is going to be set up. Is Dollar General going to add something to the DG app? That way we can see the rebates, or is this strictly just going to be a link your account kind of thing through Ibotta. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. But I do want you guys to stay vigilant. Be aware there will probably be multiple changes, just like when Walmart and Ibotta teamed up back at the beginning of the year. Speaking of changes, Ibotta made a huge change. I believe it was sometime last week. Now, when Walmart and Ibotta teamed up, they put this little detail in the offers saying that this offer can't be combined with manufacturer coupons for the same product at Walmart. It was always specific to Walmart. We could still combine coupons at other stores like CVS, Walgreens, Kroger, DG. However, now under most rebates, if you take a look at the details, it will say this offer can't be combined with coupons for the same product. And that is pretty much across the board at all stores. Now, for most seasoned couponers, this is going to be a very vague statement. Does this mean all manufacturer coupons? Does this just mean digital manufacturer coupons, paper manufacturer coupons, store coupons, register rewards, ECBs? What exactly does Ibotta mean by coupons? So I did send in an email to Ibotta asking some specific questions, and hopefully I will get some specific answers back. But this is pretty big on Ibotta's part. I think they're definitely going to lose some people over this. I know for myself at least, since Ibotta added that you can't combine with coupons, I haven't been doing as many Ibotta deals as I used to. I used to go out every single week and do Ibotta deals with coupon matchups, and I absolutely loved it. But it seems like now you kind of have to jump through a bunch of rebate apps and couponing apps to get really cheap products or free products, and I'm just not interested in spending hours trying to come up with deals and put all that together. And then half the time I feel like I get to the store, I get the item, I go to scan in my receipt, and the offer is gone. So Ibotta has really kind of pushed me away as far as Walmart. Now, I was still doing Ibotta deals at Walgreens and Dollar General, as a lot of you all know, but with this new change, it looks like it's going to be across the board, across all stores, that you cannot combine with coupons. And again, what exactly does that mean? So basically, we have a lot going on. There's a lot of changes happening. There's going to be a lot of things to figure out. So I want to know what you guys think about this. Are you done with Ibotta? Are you going to stick around and see what happens? What do you think about this DG Cash deal? And also, if you guys come across any additional information on any of these topics and you want to send it in, my email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. And I really, really appreciate it, because I think we're really going to have to band together to figure this one out. But you guys, let me know what y'all are thinking down in the comment section below. And that is going to be it for me for now. I won't keep y'all much longer, but before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.